Okay. Yep, we're ready.
All right. Welcome, fourth graders. Today we're going to be learning about triangles. Can everybody make a triangle with their hands so we're all on the same page? Awesome. And how many sides does a triangle have? 3. Are all those sides the same length? Do we know? Are they all the same every time? Not always. And that's what we're going to be learning about today, are the 3 different types of triangles.
I got some smarty pants in here knowing that they're all not the same.
Yeah, we do.
It's very good.
It is good. So the 3 types we have are isosceles, equilateral, and scalene. As you can see, isosceles has 2 sides that are the same, equilateral has 3, and scalene has none. So we're going to watch a quick video to show you about these, and then we'll go into more depth with each of them. We're going to forward just a little bit here. See what comes next. There we go. Alright, so we already had Daffodil, Eloise, and Maybelline show you about all the different kinds of triangles. So the first one is equilateral. And as you can see in equilateral, they're all the same size. So of course they're equal. It's an easy one to remember.
And these are big words, so I'm going to have you all say them. So repeat after me. Equilateral.
Equilateral.
Beautiful.
Awesome. Alright, next we have isosceles. So 2 of them are the same. So this one right here is not the same. It could be located anywhere. As you can see, they're all at the bottom there, but they can be anywhere. It's just 2 of them have to be the same. So
isosceles.
Isosceles.
Beautiful.
Awesome. And our last one here is scalene. And of course, the scalene, none of them are the same. They do not match up at all, so they're all separate.
Scalene.
Scalene.
You got it. You got it.
And here's a quick way we're going to help you guys remember all 3 of these because it can be a little complicated at first. So in equilateral, if you look at the E, the top 3 lines, they're all the same size, right? So equilateral, all the same. And then in isosceles, there's an I, and there's 2 lines in the I. So the 2 lines are the same. So 2 lines are the same in isosceles, as same as an I. And then scalene, none of them are the same. So they're all different. There's nothing the same in an S, is there? Alrighty.
Does that make sense? Did anybody have any questions so far? Perfect. You got this.
We'll go back to this slide so you can see here. Alrighty.
Okay, so our activity today, I'm sure some of you have been eyeing the Play-Doh. So what we are going to do is use Play-Doh and toothpicks, don't stab yourself, to make triangles. Okay, so we are going to pass out paper, toothpicks, and Play-Doh. Okay, so what I want you to do, first thing you're going to do is you are going to take your toothpicks and you are going to make each of these 3 types of triangles, okay? And you're going to connect those triangles using little pieces of Play-Doh, like glue, okay? Once you are done making each type of triangle, I would like you to trace them, okay? But that's all you're going to do on this paper. You're not going to write your name. You're not going to write what types they are, okay? So all that should be on the paper is what? Just the traced triangle, okay? And once we're all finished with that, I will give you your next set of directions, okay? Any questions? All right, let's get to making some triangles. All right.
I want pink.
Yep, let's share with all of our friends. We have, okay, everybody has Play-Doh. And if you need to break your toothpicks to be able to make the different angles, that's totally fine. We have 500 toothpicks, so feel free to do what you need. That's
I wasn't listening. I was playing with my Play-Doh, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh my goodness, that's okay. So we're making triangles out of our, yep, exactly like that. So you're going to make an isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, and a scalene triangle, okay?
Equilateral, equal.
Exactly. I'm glad you got that. Yep, and then so you're going to trace them on your paper, and you're just going to trace them, okay? So don't write your name, don't write what types they are, anything. So the only thing that should be on this paper is just your traced triangles, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How are y'all doing? How are your triangles going? Oh, that's beautiful. You even drew the lines. Amazing. We got a mathematician in here.
I'm going to glue this one together like this.
That's perfect. Absolutely. That's very creative. Very creative use of the Play-Doh. Wonderful.
How can I break this even?
Looking good, ladies. Looking good. It doesn't have to be perfect either. We're not making art here. Okay, friends, I'm going to give us about another minute, okay? Another minute, and then we'll move on.
It's not long enough.
If we really need more time, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
I like the purple. Go K-State. That's good. Beautiful. Oh, those are cool triangles. I like looking at triangles. Very sturdy.
This is seriously so fun.
I'm glad you're having fun. That's good. And we're learning about triangles. It's been a long time since I've played with Play-Doh. I was very happy when I got to
Just got me Play-Doh because they're so goofy.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Awesome.
All right, raise your hand if you need a little bit more time.
I do.
Okay. Just a little bit more time, and then we'll move on. All right, so when you are finished with your lovely triangles, here's what we're going to do, okay? Everybody's eyes on me here real quick so that I know that we know what we're doing, okay? So I would like you to take your piece of paper and trade with a friend, okay? So just make sure that you don't have your own, okay? And once you have a paper that is not your own, I want you to label which one you think it is, okay? So you need to label the isosceles, the equilateral, and the scalene triangle, okay? So look really closely at how long or how short they are. If you want to trade on your table, that's fine. If you want to trade with a different table, that's fine. Just make sure that you don't have your own paper.
And make sure you write your name on it this time.
Yes.
When you label, write your name on it.
You think you're getting it? Are you a master? That's amazing. I like hearing that. Some triangle experts in here. Oh my, so smart. Yep, if you just want to get those last few questions. Ooh, we have like 20 seconds. You're probably. All right, and while Miss Abigail is asking you questions, I'm going to come around and pick up your papers, okay?
Everyone look up at me, please. All right, so how to remember which triangles had how many sides. Do you remember? Yes.
With the equilateral, she said that the first letter is E. All three of the lines are equal.
Yeah, exactly. The I, there are two of the lines that make the I that are going to be equal to.
Very good. What about the scaly?
How many sides does it have that are equal to each other? Nine. Very good. So, what else? Like, what was easy or difficult about identifying the triangles? You guys are super good at this already. And, all right.
Does anybody have any questions remaining before we wrap up? Yes.
What are those lines mean?
That is a very good question. That is what super smart mathematicians use. You'll probably learn how to use them in like 7th grade, but just for a quick explanation, they tell you if they're the same or not. So since this just has one mark on each, you know that they're all the same. So these are similar on this, but so you can see that there's no other one dash. So that means none of them are equal. But they'll go further into that later. That is a good question. All right, thank you, everyone. Oh. I'll take it. Thank you. Lovely.